Scott's Reviews, welcome back. Today we're talking about the Apple AirPods Pro 2. You just saw the unboxing. Oh, you haven't? Let's watch that first. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2. I'm going to do this real quick because you've probably seen this a lot. I lost my buds before and I lost another pair, so I've lost 3 pairs of these things. I don't know why I keep losing them, but they continue to slide away. This is a regular cord, not braided, and we have all the tips here. I'm most curious about the smallest tip here. Reason being is that these things never did fit my ears well. Let's go ahead and pair them first. Very excited that the audible sound is around, and the ability to find the earbuds in its case is very well thought of and about time. I'm gonna replace the buds to the extra small. Let's go to the table and I'll tell you what I hear. Also, again, I wanted to talk about the AirPods Pro Max versus these. All right, that was pretty exciting. Different about the cords. The only thing that's different now is today is you're getting USB-C. The Lightning. Hopefully Lightning goes away soon, but that's a whole nother topic. But you're not getting USB-A, you're getting the new one. So that's good if you're into the new plugs and everything else that are coming out with. All right, I have something to talk about that's exciting. That's exciting for me, and I think it's exciting for you. I watched iJustine's video recently when she put these on, and she's always excited about everything, right? She's right. These are game-changing. I didn't expect it to be like a game-changing thing. Again, I sold my original Pros, and I bought the third generation of the regular ones, the newest ones they came out with that look like the Pros, right? And that is one of the things that's a big game changer with this one is, of course, as you heard, that you can locate it in the case. This might be a bad thing for Apple to do because now people are going to be able to find their AirPods and not have to buy new ones. But now you can locate your Pros if you lose them, right? So they can play a sound. They also will flash a light up front to show you kind of where they are and give you that little thing on your phone where you go left, go right, 20 feet away, that kind of stuff. So that's really, really cool. So hopefully this eliminates the need for me to buy a pair of new buds because my wife is going to kill me if I buy another pair. What iJustine kind of brought up was that she fit really good with the original AirPods, but the other ones kept falling out. That's exactly what would happen to me. So the original ones fit fine, ran, all that kind of stuff, worked out with them, never really fell out and I'm doing something crazy. But the Pros fell out constantly. I would have it on. I tried all different ones. I even bought the foamy ones after third party to try to get them to fit. Worked out. I would grab a weight or something, lean over, and it would come out. I would strain doing the bench press of some curls and the moving of the jaw, they would fall out. I even did a video on how you can curl it back up into your ear to lock them in as a trick to keep them in your ears, which isn't fun to do, but that was a way to do it. I kind of gave up on the Pro, that's why I sold them, and I went to the third generation. I liked them, they were fine. I ran with them, they were fine so I was happy with the third generation, but I lost them. The only thing that I didn't like, being on the airplane, there's no noise cancellation obviously for those, but even I had them cranked, I think almost the volume was 100% and I could still barely hear the movie I was listening to. So if you're flying, definitely think about the Pros or some type of noise cancellation headphones or earbuds. Definitely worth it if you fly a lot. So I put in the extra small buds, and like she talked about, they seem to fit like the original earbuds. So I put them in. It seemed to fit, it seemed to shape around my ear more like the actual, where it curves right there. It's a little more curvy. It's got a little more indentation, and it really fits snug in there. I have it on cancellation. I can't hear you. All right. They're in and they feel almost perfect. Like they're not going to move. I can move my jaw around and they won't come out. it's the small little earbuds, it's small little caps that I needed. The rest were kind of pushing, they were too big and they were kind of pushing away from my ear and making me come out. All right, my daughter's home. All right, so the fit is awesome. I walked around with them, jumped around with them, and it didn't come out, and I'm really excited about that. So let's talk about sound, because again, that's another very, very important thing, right? These do sound really good. I mean, they're different. The clarity is incredible. It's got a nice little bass. It's nothing that's gonna thump you. Oh, you hear that? It's nothing that's gonna thump you out the door, but it's good bass, but it's so clear. And then when you turn the noise cancellation on, it's sweet. It is sweet. I am really impressed with these buds. Let me take them out. Yeah, very happy I bought these. Full price, whatever. I don't have to wait for Thanksgiving, whatever. I will pay for those. So if you're on the boat like, oh, they're just another earbuds from Apple, they're good. Okay, I won't brag too much, because if you get them, you don't like them, you're like, dude, what are you talking about? All right, so I bought these used about 5 months ago. These are expensive, and I got them used, so I thought I got a pretty good deal on them. But they're in perfect condition when I got them. So these, now they do sound better than these. I got to give them that. These deliver more of that real heavy thump bass that is only can duplicate with over-ear headphones. You really can't duplicate that with something like this. So, I mean, if you're spoiled rotten, you could have both, right? You could have these for active around town, workouts, running, all that kind of stuff. And then when you want to relax more, not have something in your ear, you could have these for on the computer, for looking at movies, whatever, laying in bed. But that's where these guys end. If you are interested in the Max and you think, well, I'm gonna go take them to work out too. No, they're too heavy. You lean your head over and you go down to grab a weight. No, they won't do it. You go down and grab a weight or something, they're gonna fall right off your head. I've been just leaning over my bed to grab something, and they come like this, fall right off. So these are very heavy. They fit well, but they're heavy buds that will just fall off if you move your head around too fast. So that was kind of like, I can't work out with them. They seem like they're like, I don't know, they're very fancy headphones for just watching movies around the house. If I use these enough and around the house and stuff, then I'll sell these and get some good money back. These are not cheap. I'll miss them, believe me, I'll miss them. They're incredible, but that's a lot of cash to be having these and then having these. I get it. That's a lot of money to have both of that kind of stuff. That's just my thought. Maybe I'll keep it if I use enough. That's the other thing. If I use stuff enough and use it regularly, I'm fine. But once the electronics starts sitting around on a desk or something that's sitting there, it drives me insane. And I want to just get rid of it and sell it as fast as I can. That's just my thing. I don't like wasting money, and I feel like it's sitting around and I'm wasting money. Okay, those are my thoughts. That's it for this video for the AirPods Pro 2. If you have any questions about it, leave me in the comments below. And I do appreciate you sticking around on the channel watching, and I do appreciate you subscribing. If you haven't done so, you should do so. We have some more stuff coming up. Next up will be more in the camera realm. So we have the Insta360 X3 coming, and then I have a confession to make. At the start of this video, I talked about the GoPro Hero 11, and I talked about how, nope, not getting it. Well, today GoPro added the bundle package included, so I'm getting some stuff. GoPro has a 30-day return policy, so I'm really depending on that because I'm really not sure about this camera. If the X3 looks anywhere decent enough in the single lens mode to replace the GoPro look, then the GoPro's going back. But if the X3 has that washed out, kind of like nasty skin tone look, then we may think about keeping the GoPro. But I'm excited to play with it. I'm excited to get it. I'm excited to try some stuff. I had the media mod coming with it. I had the light coming with it. I have the protective case. So I will go diving with that camera if I just keep it. Because the trip's in November, so that's beyond 30 days. So, I have to sell the camera later on. Anyway, that's my thoughts. All right, that's it for me. Go watch the next one and subscribe on the way out. See ya.